In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy files in Google Drive. If you want to duplicate a file without changing the original, Google Drive makes that very simple. Creating a copy is useful when you want to edit a document, spreadsheet, or other file while keeping the original version untouched. It is also a good option when you want to reuse a file as a template for something new. To begin, go to your Google Drive home. This is the main area where you can view the files and folders stored in your drive. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the file you want to copy. If you have a lot of files, it can help to switch between list view and grid view, or use the search bar at the top to find the file more quickly. After you find the file, look for the three dots next to it. These three dots open the More Actions menu, which gives you additional options for managing that file. Click on the three dots to open the menu. Make sure you're selecting the correct file before moving on, especially if you have multiple files with similar names. From that menu, click on Make a Copy. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will create a duplicate version of the file in your drive. In most cases, the new file will appear in the same location as the original and will usually include the words copy of at the beginning of the file name. This helps you quickly identify which version is the duplicate. Once the copy is created, you can open it and rename it if needed, so it's easier to organize. Renaming is especially helpful if you're making several versions of the same file for different projects or team members. Keep in mind that making a copy gives you a separate file, so changes made to the copy will not affect the original. That's all it takes to copy a file in Google Drive. It's a fast and practical way to duplicate important documents while keeping your original safe. If you're organizing files regularly or working on repeat tasks, this feature can save you a lot of time and help you avoid accidental edits to the wrong file. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to copy files in Google Drive.